We're just resetting some faults, and if they clear, we're just going to start heading back down.
10-4.
Meikle Wind is located 20k northwest of Tumbler Ridge, a small town of approximately 2,000 people in northeastern British Columbia, Canada. The mailman only comes here once a week.
We are now able to build and capture wind energy in places we never thought it was possible. Meikle is probably the most challenging development wind farm site I've ever worked on. It has complex topography, high forestry, icing losses, high levels of turbulence. That is why we use LiDAR. It measures topography at a fine resolution. GE saw that Meikle is not a typical wind site and proposed 2 different wind turbine models on 2 different hub heights, which was really creative.
Wind turbines started with airplane wings as their blades because these profiles are perfect for capturing air. My biggest passion for wind turbines came from the realization that they are essentially giant robots. They take in sensor data and measurement data and intelligently use that information to operate at their most efficient and highest performance. My job is affected by data and software pretty much from the start of my day to the end of my day. Some of the advancements that we've had digitally in the most recent years have been more about prediction and finding faults before they occur. The digital plan of the day takes in information from all kinds of sources and then analyzes and aggregates it. In cases where we have faults and failures, not only can we get them fixed quicker, but we can also prioritize when to do it because we can see things coming that may be more important or less important, and that'll help us change our plans. Drones really benefit us in a lot of ways. I mean, the first thing that comes to everyone's mind is blade inspections. Like if there's a possible failure on a blade due to a lightning strike, we can get real close in high resolution and look at that without having to bring in a rope team or a helicopter, which is expensive, but also very unsafe compared to just flying a little drone up there. Keep going. Let's do it over the shark teeth.
Whoa!
Yeah, it looks like there's quite a big pressure ding right there in that leading edge. God, that's impressive. This way we can be 2-3 turbines over. This would allow us to get close to the turbine without putting anybody in harm's way.
Newer solutions, newer technologies are really crucial when it comes to building out of the norm, like sites in British Columbia. It started off as a 30-megawatt project, and it ended up being 185. We get to power a whole city here. Wind energy and solar energy and hydro energy will greatly boost the percentage of energy we get from renewable sources. We can't be dependent on just one.
Meikle Wind has increased BC's wind power capacity by more than 37%. And that's enough electricity to power more than 54,000 homes. Renewable energy is important to me because it's our future. This is the first step that we can take to make a change.